Hey kiddo, how do you like that shirt? I don't want to wear it on my head. It's not a hat, Papa. Here you go. We'll try this hat. Oh. It's so good. Nathan. I love that baby. What are you doing? You gonna tell Aunt Miss to say thank you? Nathan. Are you gonna wave? Nathan. Oh yeah, the box. I love the box. Yeah, I ate some of it. Nathan. 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 Leave me alone, Mama. Nathan. I love the baby.